This is my van setup. This is a standard Transit Connect 17 plate, and after 20 odd years in garden maintenance, this is pretty much how I run things in the back of the van, so to speak. I'm a big believer in being efficient in everything, or try to, in everything you do. And one of my pet hates is having to find tools or they're buried in. I don't like moving things just because I need to get something out. So I'll take you a quick look round and then I'll show you how things work for me. First of all, the shelving I made from 9mm ply, and I've only made the shelving as wide as the wheel arches to retain as much floor space as possible, and I have shaped it to the side of the van. For a start, the silky saw just there, and some shelves with strimmer line, oils, some spray, and the fuel can, easy to get to, just simple bungee cord across there. I like everything to be able to be reached from the back of the van without having to actually get in the van. Again, some more shelves there, edge cutter, etc. And wolf garden. And underneath there, I always carry some spanners, pliers, screwdrivers, always handy. Again, the spade is just clipped in one clip, easy to get to, and behind that is a combi extension, and that just sits in some old drain waste pipe. Again, at the top, two wolf garden handles, a telescopic one and just a standard handle. Again, they're in drain pipes, they just slide in, easy to get in and out from the back of the van. And just under there is another extension for the combi. And on the door I have all my secateurs, prune head for the wolf garden poles, and my ear defenders always hang there. Now this is the important piece for me when it comes to doing general garden maintenance from job to job. This is a very simple box-like construction I made. I'm not a carpenter. A top, two sides, and just a couple of straps along the bottom, and it simply slides in and out the van. If I ever need a lot of space, it's easy to take out. But 90% of the time this is in the van, and I will show you why. To demonstrate, I've put the 22-inch Toro mower in there. As you can see, the box has now got what I'd class as a general maintenance day tools. There's a hedge trimmer, a strimmer / weed whacker attachment, and a combi power unit, and they're nicely tucked out of the way. And now I can put the waste actually on top of where the tools are. These are 500 by 500 mil bags, and I can actually get 6 of these in here. So if you've got grass clippings, leaves, etc., they all go on top, and you're not burying your tools in. So when you go to your next job, your strimmer, your hedge cutter, it's easy to get straight back out again. Or even the mower. There's nothing has to be moved apart from the tool you want to get out. And if I'm just hedge cutting all day, the hedge cutters can go underneath that box and all the waste can be piled in. Pretty much you've got most of the van for your waste, and you're not burying your tools in. So thank you for watching, and hope it was of interest. Thank you.